now after this one show up, I give them a tiny bit of water now. Then I'm going to get the seaweed solution so I can give them good nutrients, so to make sure they grow really nice. This one was already there, the slip over from the other last year garlic, so I didn't pull, instead just leave in there. We'll see if they give us more garlic again. This one, look, if I'm pulling them, they don't have any garlic yet developed, so I'll see. But it look like this one is growing really well. Look like one of those bigger garlic too, the elephant garlic I see. This one here, one kind of bit of rot, and she smelled it. I pull one of the thing, but she got really good roots already, so see, I might remove this so it grow again, and I'll see. Just leave it like this. Let's see what happened here. Okay, I don't water them, just this one, and I give them seaweed solution after this. Out of them that I put all of the seeds here this year, 2026, it's only one bit rotten there. So don't give them too much water, guys, because as you can see, don't dilute it with water, especially you put this hay here, although nice and warm hay when I close it, but I still don't recommend too much watering, because after this you're gonna give them seaweed solution as well. So nice developing roots, and their immune system will fight the cold and any diseases come their way. I hope not. So far so good. I'm so happy for this. So it's kind of wet now, so it's okay. Follow this is seaweed solution. Really good. So here we got quite really the elephant garlic, it shows too, so I give him tiny bit of water just to quickly the process. So that one in the corner, I think 12 or 10 of them there, each corner there, it's